Hey guys! So here I am addressing and solving the issue that many of you would have felt while establishing a payout option in your Whop. Whop payment payout establishment is quite difficult, especially in India or in a country where PayPal integration is prohibited by Whop or Stripe account sign-up is not possible. So I came up with a solution to this problem. I will tell you step-by-step process to integrate your PayPal to Whop while being in India or any other country where PayPal integration prohibited by Whop. First, establish an integration with Coinbase in your Whop account. Coinbase sign-up and integration is very easy and requires no KYC. Second, go to PayPal's website and set up a payout link for your product and design payment page as you want. Then go to Gumroad in a new tab, upload, and design your digital product's product page. Set the product's price to 0, and then copy product page link, and then go back to PayPal tab in your browser and paste the URL into return URL box while setting up payout link. After designing payment page, copy payment link. Third, open your product store page. Then open Manage Store option, and then under Custom Call to Action, paste the payment URL. And now you can easily receive payments for your product in your PayPal account.